Hello everyone, this is Adish. I'm a grade 10 student from Mumbai. So today's problem is body mass index. The difficulty level of this problem is cakewalk because you only need to know very basic math and conditional and iterative statements in order to understand my solution. So in this problem we are basically given the definition of body mass index of a person, which is computed by dividing the mass of the person and dividing the mass of the person by the height squared of the person. And if this body mass index is less than or equal to 18, we will print 1. If it's between 19 and 24, we will print 2. If it's between 25 to 29, we will print 3. And if it's greater than or equal to 30, we will print 4. And we need to do this for t independent test cases. So we need to compute this quantity and print 1, 2, 3 or 4 depending on these 4 categories for t independent test cases, where the number of test cases can be up to 2 into 10 power of 4 and m and h can be up to 10 power of 4 and 10 squared. So basically the key idea is to store this quantity in double and then use the comparison, because it is not guaranteed that this quantity is an integer, and hence we will just basically compute this for t independent test cases. We will first run a loop from 1 to t. Within the loop we will take in the value of m and the value of h. We will store the body mass index in a double variable, and we will use 4 conditional statements and print out the required category based on each of the conditions. So I'll just show you the code now, both in C++ and Python. So in C++, I'll take in the value of t, which is the number of test cases. While the number of test cases is not equal to 0, we will decrease t, and basically we will take in the value of m and h. The body mass index is computed in double to be this quantity, m divided by h square. If this BMI is less than or equal to 18, we will print 1. Otherwise, if it's less than or equal to 24, because we know that BMI is greater than 18, and hence it should be less than or equal to 24 to come into the second category. And else if BMI is less than or equal to 29, we will print 3. And in the last case, we know that BMI is greater than 29, so it's greater than or equal to 30, and hence we will print 4. Over here it's greater than or equal to 25, and over here it's greater than or equal to 19. And yeah, that's exactly what we will do. And in the Python code I do the exact same thing, except for the input format and the output format, and the else statement is actually else if, elif instead of else if. And you can verify both the C++ and Python code gets accepted. So I hope you like this problem and my solution. If you have any doubts, do leave them in the comments down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.